has given up and sacrificed her family life with her husband. When I'm working in government in Kingston, she's working in Portland. Her children, her grandchildren don't see her for days and weeks at a time because she believes in you and wants to better your life. And I want to say to the people of Portland, you see them two bars, yeah? Them can't go. You know why they can't go? You know why they can't go? Because they are made out of metal and steel, not glass. I close by saying tonight I have a very special guest here with me, my daughter's best friend. And I want to say that we lost a soldier and a patriot and a Labour Party man to the bone a few weeks ago due to health. Don Weddy, former senator and minister of the Jamaica Labour Party. And his daughter is here, Abby, tonight. And I want to say to Abby that this election, both in East and West Portland and nationally, when we beat them on September 3rd, is going to be dedicated in the life and honor and memory of Don Weddy, a patriot who served Jamaica well and is gone too soon. Prime Minister, all I say to you tonight, I don't need to talk anymore because talking will help. Action is what we do in Portland. Kick off in Portland. Kick off West Portland. And let's concentrate on the other 61 constituencies. God bless you. I love you from the bottom of my heart. I will defend you, serve you, protect you, and respect you forever and ever. Amen. God bless you.
Labor rights. Labor rights. You just heard from Darrell. I too want to share in those sentiments, especially on Don Webby. I too want to share in the sentiments expressed by Darrell about the hard-working, effective, committed, respectful member of parliament that you have in Almeriva. None of you in this crowd will ever...
Portland. Come in! Show my labor rights! You notice that I have not written down. I have no paper. I have no phone looking on. Because everything that I'm feeling tonight is in my heart. Thank you. I want to say to you, my East Portland family, that when they believe that you can hold a mic and perform like them, I want to repeat what I said in 2019. Beautiful speaking. they have, you know, beautiful speaking. They want to look at my intelligent, history-making Minister of Finance, Favored William, and because she know the Ray and the and believe said, them can't handle her, no day, no night, no time. They believe that service is about themselves.
And how them are big up themselves and promote themselves. I believe that service is about the people. And the things that you do every single day in the 5 years that they went out and assigned you to that task, I believe that that is what is important to the people. We're not talking here tonight to any out-of-towners. And the thing is, I have overcome decades of being unable to stand on a stage and hold a mic. Because when you call for me to come to East Portland, I never jump up because I wasn't looking no title. You know what the most important title for me is? Mother. So I wasn't looking no title. What I was looking is to ensure that when I made the decision to come here, that I would give it 100% of my heart and soul. Don't have to stand on this stage and list out the achievements that I've had in East Portland, because I could call any single one of you up here tonight and you could list them off, because you live it, you feel it, and you're in it with me. Labor rights. They're talking that, oh, road can't eat. But let me ask you something. How you going to set up a business and people can't get to you because the road them bad? What kind of farming can take place? What kind of cooking in restaurants can take place? What kind of normal life can be lived where you can turn on a pipe and bathe if you don't have no water? Listen to me. I didn't come here and find a foundation, you know, that I could build on. I came here and there was not even river shingle to start a foundation for East Portland. East Portland has gone from one of the constituencies with the worst road to the envy of every constituency in Jamaica. Especially when them see me on the carpet. And me I go jump on carpet till them have to take where they sell. Them not understand really and truly what go on in this constituency. Them believe it's an MP and some supporters. Them not understand say it's a family. Them don't understand say Uno cuts me cuts uno, and tomorrow morning the whole of it there so I enjoy it. Now we are one family. A family. God. Alright, wanna go find somebody else. That's what you mean by that. We no business with somebody else, we just want to curse you because we know you're going to solve the problem. So you see me now? Me in front of my Eastbourne and family. Me no care if the speaking beautiful or not. You know what I know? Wanna love me. And me love you. Me put road in a mill bank from Seaman's Valley through Kent to Ginger House to Comfort Castle to Millbank. Operation Pride housing scheme that left the people without water and road get road because of me and this government led by Jamaica Labour Party. Let me tell you something. People get water that them never know so water exists. One place that's special to the whole away down here, Akada Park. When I came here, Akada Park was a cow pasture. And we have a mini stadium in Akada Park. With the government, CDF, and through my action and foundation, we have spent millions and millions over the last 6 years on education. This government, led by Michael Holness, has ensured that any picnic who want to learn a skill and upgrade themselves can go to heart, free of cost to level 4. As I said before, you see me? What I don't want, me not give to nobody. Me not give to nobody. Right? And so, I have never stood on any stage and promised anything. I stand here and I commit and I deliver, just as how the Jamaica-led government has delivered for all of you across this island. I used to walk 3 miles to basic school, and then it turned to primary school. And when I passed the common entrance to go to Hampton High School, me had to walk that 3 miles now, and the bus used to come at 6 o'clock in the morning. And you see, when that one school bus that Hampton have, that come from Santa Cruz all the way down to Junction into Bull Savannah, you see, if me miss the bus there, dog near me suffer. I used to have to wake up at 4 in the morning, and I wear a tunic. And because me no want to sweat up the tunic, me no put on the inner blouse, you know. Me hold it in my hand while me walk on the 3 miles go to catch the bus. Jump in a bush and put on me shirt under it. When I come to East Portland and saw that children were going through hell, still standing up at bus stop waiting, them take the allows and left the picnic, or them shove the whole of them in a one back, 20, 30 of them in the back of one vehicle. And then we had the first accident, and I said to my husband, no sir, not only that, Juta is subsidized in Kingston, and many people sometimes believe that Kingston is Jamaica. The parents parents in rural Jamaica spend more money transporting their kids to school than what they need to send them to school. And I said, no, this has to change. And we bring the first bus. And the bad mind start. And I said, Jesus Christ, then how anybody can bad mind pick me? When the last incident happened at Black Hill, you know what I know? I will never want any parents here to go through what the parent who was a doctor at Anatomy Hospital on duty, and when the dead child came in, what you think? I'm picnic. How you think that doctor, that father and doctor feel? I promised myself we were going to ensure that that don't happen to no other picnic. And that bus came and operated in Portland for almost 2 months, and we now have no problem. Every parent's happy. I recall one child who went to Titchfield and walked into the bus and said, "Me can't get used to this. Why we picnic them not be driving a comfort?" Bad mind children, which is the future of our country. Anyway, they were right. We're not talking about bad mind tonight. That I was asked by a reporter to name something that is important to me with what I've done. And that school bus was one thing. And you know what the other thing is? The other thing is the dropping center that is built around the corner because of this man to take care of the less fortunate in our society. Thank you, Mr. Martin. My East Portland family, dear, but the grace of God go any one of us, you know. And this government no load them up in a truck park. Them building, when it was going up, everybody think it's some fancy hotel or some Airbnb. We build a beautiful building to take care of our less fortunate. This is the kind of caring government that I am proud to be a part of. Never right. But those are two things. But the most important thing is the love and friendship that we have built among each other. The love. Every single where I go, I laugh because the littlest of boys you hear, Anne-Marie Vaz. They don't see me as an MP. They see me as their friend, their mother, their grandmother, their sister, their auntie, their cousin. And by saying that of all the things that I've accomplished is the relationship that we have with each other that is the most important and special to me. And I want to thank you all for the trust you have placed in me. And I want to say to you, if you believe you see nothing yet, wait till the next 5 years. You're right. I don't take none for granted, you know. And I fret and I worry and I work. But tonight, Portland River come down. Come September 3rd, all of you and your neighbor, you and your friend you're not even talk to, we are going to march to the polling station. And I want to say to you, by 1 p.m., we want to see them going through the junction. From Wednesday coming. Portland is a peaceful parish, and it will remain that way. And you have my commitment that as I have been, so forever I will be in the service of you, my Eastport and family. God bless you all.
Let's have a big hand for unbelievers.